What up, good people? Huge shout out to Cavalier Mazda for allowing me to review the 2024 Mazda CX-90. Today we're introducing the 2024 Mazda CX-90, wrapped in a head-turning sonic silver metallic, spanning 200 inches in length and standing tall at 68 inches. This SUV commands attention with a 122-inch wheelbase and an 8-inch ground clearance. The CX-90 is engineered for both luxury and adventure. Under the hood is the 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-six powered by Skyactiv technology, delivering an impressive 340 horses for the torque 319 at 2,000 RPM. This powerhouse rocket from 0 to 60 in just 6.3 seconds with a top speed of 130 miles per hour. Plus it's efficient, offering 28 mpg on the highway, 23 in the city. The Mazda CX-90 is a 3-row luxury SUV that showcases refined and elegant design. It features a sleek and sophisticated silhouette with flowing lines and a premium stance. This has an MSRP of $55,000. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with luxurious black leather. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your RPMs, on the right you have your gas gauge with your engine temp, and in the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your trip, compass, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your parking sensor with your traction control alongside your gas release with your memory seat settings. Looking on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your power button, aka your push button start. Right here, we're looking at a 10.25-inch no touchscreen display, but it have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Looking down from the radio, you have your dual climate control. You have your drive mode with your hill assist. You have your shift knob. This particular model is the 8-speed automatic transmission. The button right here are your electronic parking with your auto hold. You have your cup holder area. Inside of the center console, you have 2 USB outlets. You have your glove box for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with 2 captain chairs with leather seats. Your passengers have air vents with 2 USB outlets. You have your climate control area. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. Now we're making our way to the 3rd row. The luxury continue. We're greeted with more black leather seats. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 15.9 cubic feet with all the seats folded down, measuring at 75.2 cubic feet. Wow, that's a lot of space. Once again, huge shout out to Cavalier Mazda for allowing me to view the 2024 Mazda CX-90. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.